In today's tutorial, I am going to be teaching you guys how to cut and sew these beautiful off-shoulder ruffles. If this is something you're interested in, then keep up watching, and please don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it, and subscribe. I'm going to be using 2 yards of this coffee brand Organza, so you can make use of any color of your choice. So I'll go ahead and fold it into 2, then I'll further go ahead and fold it into 2 like this. After that, I will spread it on my table like this, very straight. I will place my tape at the top. I will mark the whiteness that I want for this ruffle. I will mark 30 inches like this. Then I will repeat the same measurement on this other side. By the time I fold it into 2, it will now become 6 inches in length. So I'll go ahead and connect the points together. After connecting it, I'll place my tape on this line I just marked. I will mark another 30 inches like this. Then I will connect the points together like this. Then I'll go ahead and mark another one. So I'll go ahead and start cutting it out. I've cut out 3 pieces. I will still cut another one and add to it to make it 4 pieces. After cutting it out, I will take it to the same machine and join all the pieces together. So just stitch it down with 1/2 inch. So I've gone ahead to stitch everything down, and this is how it looks like, very long. So what I want to do next is to go ahead and iron the joining, okay, to make it very neat. I'll go ahead and iron it. So the next thing I want to do is to fold it into 2 like this, right side facing each other. I will take it to the same machine and stitch it down with 1/2 inch. So after I was done stitching it, this is how it look like. Now I am going to open this part that is open like this and arrange it like this. Can you see it? The joining should be at the middle. Then I'll go ahead and stitch it with 1/2 inch. Make sure the joining is at the middle. After I was done joining it, I turned it to the front. Then I also wanted to stitch or secure the edge here by folding it in with 1/2 inch, and after that I wanted to iron it. Now the next thing I want to do is to cut out an elastic for the off shoulder. So cut out an elastic that is going to be long enough to go around your shoulder. So I'm going to take this to the same machine and sew the elastic on it. So I'm going to show you guys how to sew it. Place your elastic on the part where you joined. Make sure the part where you joined is the side facing towards you. So I've started sewing it. I actually paused this. I never knew that I did not click on resume. So what I did is simple. Go ahead and use your hand and gather your fabric like this, like ruffle. Then stretch out your elastic to the end, like stretch it very well. Please don't overstretch it, like don't cut the elastic, but stretch it to, like, at least stretch it very well. Then as you are stretching it, you'll be sewing it. Then use your hand and gather your fabric like this. Okay, remember we are making ruffle, so gather it inward, then stretch out your elastic and sew it on it. I hope you guys understand. As you are gathering it, you will be sewing on it. It is very easy if you can follow up with the instruction. Very easy. So guys, if you know you have watched to this extent and you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and like this video. Comment on it. Was it helpful? If you have any question, go ahead and ask. This really helped my algorithm a lot. So guys, I am done sewing it, and this is how it look like. Very beautiful. Though it was longer than my, or wider than my shoulder, so I just wanted to cut out the excess and restitch the edges. So I'm going to fold it into 2. Then I will take note of the middle. That is where I'm going to be pinning to my dress. I have already gone ahead to thread my needle. I will just go ahead and tack it from the front part of the dress. I will tack it to the ruffle like this. So I hope you guys understand. It is very easy. Now if you want to learn how I made this beautiful bustier gown wrapper, the tutorial is already up there on my channel, so go ahead and watch if you want to learn it. So once you are done tacking the middle of the ruffle to the middle of your dress, go ahead and arrange it again and tag another place. Once you're done tacking it, you tie it very well, then cut out the thread, tack it till you get to the back part of your dress. That was how I tacked it. So at this point, I wanted to see if I style it another way around, if it will be beautiful. So I just went ahead to like arrange it like this, and it was also beautiful. So you can style this in different ways. Anyway, I'm going to continue with what I wanted to make from the beginning. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, like it. I'm going to see you in my next video.